Where's Gamora?
My Gamora.
Oh, bullshit. Where is she?
He is in anguish.
Good.
He mourns.
What does this monster have to mourn?
The stone demands a sacrifice.
Of what?
In order to take the stone, you must lose that which you love.
You failed. And do you want to know why? Because you love nothing. No one.
I'm sorry, little one.
Tell me she's lying. Tell me you didn't do it.
I had to.